Title: Home of the Little Weaver. In the quiet corner of an old wooden house, beneath the window where the sunlight slips through the cracks, lives a small brown spider named Lena. Every morning, Lena wakes up and checks her web, her beautiful shining home. It hangs between two beams, glittering with morning dew like tiny diamonds. Birds sing outside. Dust floats in the air. Lena works patiently, spinning new silk, fixing broken strands, weaving her masterpiece. At night, the wind hums softly, and the moonlight turns her web into silver threads. Lena feels proud. Even though her home is small, it's strong, safe, and hers. One day, a storm comes. The wind tears her web apart. But Lena doesn't give up. She hides under a leaf until the rain stops. Then she begins again. Thread by thread, she rebuilds her world. By sunrise, her web shines brighter than ever. Because a true home isn't where you live. It's what you build with patience and heart. Title: Home of the Little Weaver. In the quiet corner of an old wooden house, glittering with morning dew like tiny diamonds. At night, the wind hums softly, but Lena doesn't give up. Her web shines brighter than ever. Because a true home isn't where you live. It's what you build with patience and heart. Title: Home of the Little Weaver.